Hello, I'm Shalise with Essential 7, and I want to share some instructions on how to use our First Green Hands Clean product, which I know many of you are used to seeing a hand product that is a very thick consistency. And we do not have that. We have made a product that we wanted as additive free as possible. The aloe that we use in this product is organic. We have pesticide free, herbicide free essential oils. We have non-GMO polysorbate 20, which is made from coconuts. And we're just very, very mindful of this. So with all that being said, we do not have a product in it that makes it with a thick consistency. So we've made this, our Hands Clean product, that you can carry with you and that you can use anywhere you go. And just to demonstrate how we use this is that you just take a little bit in your hand, just a little bit, and it's not super runny. It has a little bit of a consistency to it, so you're able to apply it to your hands, and you use it like you are using any type of lotion or anything else that you would be applying to your hands. For a small few seconds, you're gonna feel just a little bit of tackiness, which that will go away very quickly. This is the aloe, and your hands will feel very nice and soft. And see, as I'm talking, they're already starting to dry. This is a great product when you want something that does not have alcohol, that you're chemical sensitive, but you still want to have that confidence when you go out and about, that you have something that can give you a little bit of a barrier. And this is why we've created this product. So hope this helps you understand how our product works. And thank you very much for supporting small business. So we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.